Hello guys, welcome to PeopleSoft channel. My name is Siva Koya. By the end of this episode, you will understand the core functionality of project costing module in PeopleSoft. Before we dive into PeopleSoft project costing, let's understand what exactly is project costing with the help of a simple example. Let's assume we have a customer called John and he wants to paint his home by outsourcing this task to a contracting company. His budget is $7,500. A contracting company called ABC Painters responded back with the best quote based on his budget of $7,500. Here is the quote that John received. As you can see, the quote contains the list of activities that ABC Painters are going to perform and the costs involved for each activity. In the quote, we also can see the resource information and the number of hours they are going to spend and the charge per hour. Here comes the most important part. Now, let's switch sides and see what actual costs our company ABC Painters is anticipating as part of this project. As you can see, company ABC Painters actual costs are a bit lower compared to what they charged to our customer John. Of course, that's how our company ABC Painters make money. In this case, a profit of $1,925. Keep in mind, this profit is not yet realized. In order to realize this profit, it's very important for the company ABC Painters to track each and every cost associated with the project while the project is happening. If the costs associated with the project activities are not properly tracked, for example, resources may spend more hours than anticipated, but those extra hours are not billed to the customer. In this case, company might lose some money on this project. If they do it more often on other projects as well, company might run into losses. Companies divide the work they perform into several individual projects and they need a software to track the budget and the actual costs involved. That's the main purpose of project costing and the reason why PeopleSoft project costing exists. Like I said before, tracking the budget and the actual cost for each project is the main goal of project costing module. If we have to use an Excel, here is a sample template to track project costs. We have project description, start date, end date, activities involved, status of each activity, total hours spent on each activity, cost per hour, total labor cost, expense items like travel, equipment, fixed fee, budget versus actual cost, whether the company is profitable on each activity. We have also sample Excel templates to track timesheets, aka labor hours spent on a project, individual expenses, invoice templates if you want to bill your customer. As you can imagine, there is no way companies can use these spreadsheets to track given the number of projects they have to track as well as the number of transactions they have to deal with. Hence, they use PeopleSoft project costing. But remember, the core principle is the same: to track all the costs associated with a project. This concludes my intro episode to explain you core principle behind project costing. In my next episode, I will show you step by step on how to configure PeopleSoft project costing module. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next episode. Have a great day.